That.
No, this one.
But he's weak as hell. He's so
I've
weak.
literally just broken the armor on this guy.
This guy's armor's broken too, and he's not even dropping. He will. Right, fine, I'll try push your one, because he is coming into quite a nice area for me. No, one's dropped right down though.
Which one are we going for?
This one.
Which one? The one we're still following?
The one up top, yeah.
Oh, he's going bunker. Bunker.
Yeah, yeah. Is someone else coming? Or is it just him? Get him.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
He might have a gun.
Oh fuck, there's two of them. One's weak. They're both very weak.
Downed one.
Wow. The other one should be very weak as well, nice.
Oh, he had like a heavy LMG.
Yeah. Rinsed. Break out of the thing. You know you can just break out of the TV screen by pressing forward.
Can you?
I think so.
I'm in like the other one. Okay, I've got X16. Oh, Gulag winner. Nice.
Did you play?
Fucking yes! That's how we do it. That's the only way I win. No, I didn't get to play it.
Oh.
I was like loading in. I was like, yo, let's get this. We're gonna destroy.
Whereas I need to go in and probably die. So I'm inept.
Hey, you wanna come pop this dude?
Tango.
Oh my god, he's so far over.
His armor's taking a big hit.
Tango.
It's not quite cracked yet though.
I'll keep him hung.
Armor cracked.
Yeah, I'm coming in hot. It's dropping.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to reload in this one.
Yeah, yeah, I'm pushing him. Hello. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, he's very weak. Very weak. Where the fuck did he go?
Down him! Look at him fly!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I hear a chest. That's in the bus.
Oh, he's on the roof.
Oh, fuck. Which roof?
The one that he landed on him.
What, the green one?
Yes.
How could you see him up there? I can't see him. Well, you got him anyway. Oh, I got a gas mask. Yeah, I couldn't see him from my angle.
That's probably... I'm gonna have to go back through and see, but I think that's probably the person we killed. It was Angela Merkel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, Germany's gonna
be
be
killed
pissed.
the Angela Merkel.
I mean,
We do
will
not
Germany
want
be
to start
pissed?
beef with Germany. Yeah, Germany will be pissed. I think Germany
Do
like
they
Angela.
like her?
I have a feeling that they like Angela.
Is it Angela?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Like
sure.
anglerfish.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to look over
Currently,
the
there's jack shit happening
birds,
in that
you can
direction.
fucking chill.
They don't even show up on the thermals, do they?
What, birds?
Yeah.
Because birds aren't real, they're just cameras for the government.
Oh my god.
Why is there so many
I'm up.
stairs?
I'm up here and there's no one.
Okay, well, I'm checking here for loot, so... I got $800.
Yeah.
That's more than you earn in a year.
Barney is a dinosaur from your imagination.
Stop! No!
Tell him he's a homophobe, he'll call it defamation.
What?
What?
Yo, that's not the Barney I remember. Barney I remember was
Wait, wait,
massive
because he's not.
homophobic.
He's not homophobic.
Barney I remember
that's why
was
it's defamation.
massive homophobic. Oh, man, I love this game. It's so action-packed.
Look, man, stop bitching. Why is your head... Oh, your thermals look weird, by the way. Don't.
I thought that was a person for a second.
You like, your head is yellow when I look at you. Oh, Matt down here.
Cancel. One there.
Oh!
I tried. Get him. Is he still there?
Yeah. Armor cracked?
Dead.
Yeah.
Team wipe. Oh, you got the kill.
I did crack his armor with a sniper bullet, so be
Yeah,
nice
you
to
know
me.
what? I don't remember caring about that.
Moving in. Use safe
Who spotted him?
I mean, yeah, in all fairness. I also probably should have just been able to down him. Like,
oh, well.
I did have to take 2 shots
mean-
to not even down him, so...
Doesn't matter. I do not know.
That's the clear option, I think.
There's a car
Oh no, we need to
there.
get all the way down here. Why don't we go... Hayden, wrap it on the right, wrap it on the
Yeah, we're
right.
gonna have to go.
We should head for the safe zone.
So, oh, I just heard someone put something down.
Are we neo-Nazis? Because we're as far right as possible.
No, we're not.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
They don't seem that good. I kind of fucked it because I opened my map.
Fucking hell.
What?
He molotov straight
God.
on me.
Line. You lose, your fight is over.
Oh, you got the same gun I did.
You're up, soldier. Now go
Hello.
sort this fucker out.
Hello.
Uh-oh. You guys and your... Oh!
There we go. That was something. He tried to throw a knife at me. What a bitch. Oh, there are two. And ours is on top of another's.
I hope it... Oh, Matt, no!
Well, they're shit at least, so.
It did seem quite shit.
Don't worry, Hayden, I'm gonna get you. This is for you, Mr. Hayden. I can't carry the ring myself, but I can carry you. I saw someone buy it.
Oh, no.
Ah!
Okay, you can get that. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yo.
Did any of us hit?
Nope, not a single one.
Oh, nice. Look, he didn't even realize.
There's another one.
Yeah.
Looking for the rest.
There's someone on top as well. I think.
Fuck me.
You might want to reload.
Yep.
Oh, you got a kill. Ah!
Yeah.
Mover.
Oh, he's quite weak
Cracked his
now.
armor.
Have eyes
Come here,
on.
you bitch. Get him.
He has no armor.
Let's get him. Oh no, he's on the quad! Ah! Matt, behind you! Behind you!
I see one.
Uh-oh.
How? Yo, I broke his armor!
Fucking... What a son of a bitch. Grab him the quad.
That is
Good
so
news.
tragic that you got got.
Yeah, I know.